Are you struggling to keep your glasses clean? Here are some helpful tips. First off, you should always use a spray that is safe to be used for your glasses. You want to avoid any household cleaning products such as Windex or other glass cleaners because over time they can break away the coatings on the surface of the lenses and also etch away the lens material. In addition to using a safe spray for your lenses, you should be using a microfiber cloth or towel. You never even want to use that microfiber cloth by itself because you are just going to further embed dust and particles into the lens, which over time can cause more scratches, which can degrade the quality of vision. This also means you want to avoid any dry cleaning of the lenses with using your shirt, paper towel, or even tissue paper. Throughout the day, skin, oil, and debris are going to deposit up on your lenses and even your frames, and this oftentimes leaves behind like a smudge or an oily appearance. A quick way for cleaning this is to use a mild dish soap such as Dawn dish soap and some warm water. Simply put a few drops of the soap on the lenses and around the frame. Use your fingers to kind of massage the soap into all aspects and then wash with warm water. You want to make sure you're not using hot or boiling water though, because that will also damage any lens coatings. An option for a quick cleaning of your lenses or your glasses would be with like a pre-packaged towelette like these that are made by Zeiss. They come pre-moistened and they're made of a non-abrasive material, so they're not going to damage your lens. If you have access to an ultrasonic cleaner, such as those used for cleaning jewelry, that's another great option for cleaning your glasses. It'll do more than just get any surface debris, it'll get down into any crevices that are in your frame as well. Most optical shops are going to have one of these somewhere, and they're usually more than happy to help clean your glasses for you. As always, if you have any questions about your eyes or your eyewear, please just talk with your eye care provider, or you could drop a comment down below.